Hello everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to make PDF in CamScanner app. So let's get started. The first step you'll have to do is to go to CamScanner. Once over here on the bottom right hand side you'll see a camera icon. Tap on it. Now here you have two options. Either you can take the pictures right now using your camera, or you can click on import images and bring them from your gallery. Now here, using the dots on the corner of the screen, you can crop the image as you like. Once done, on the bottom right, click on next. Now here you'll see all of these different filters that you can use for your page. I'll just stick with the magic color as this is the best in my opinion. Now click on the check icon on the bottom right. Now here you'll see an option of add, so just click on add to add as many pages as you like. Now here you'll see all of your pages. If you want to make any changes, on the bottom left hand side click on edit and you can change. This gives you the option to rearrange your pages and also rename your PDF. Now once you're done, on the bottom menu click on share and then just click on share as PDF. And now you can choose how you would like to share your PDF. That can be using your email or your WhatsApp, etc. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.